You want to know how to add a featured image in your site through WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress dashboard with your site admin. So once you're there, here you can see posts, medias, pages. So you can choose any one of these. So let's go for post this time, and then once you're there, you can just simply manage up your post. So I'll just select any one of these posts right here. And now once this post opens up, in order to add a featured image, just simply select on this block, and once you're there, here select this plus icon right here. Now once I've selected, simply select image. And now once you're under image, here you can just simply upload, select image, generate with AI, and also insert from URL. And once you're done with it, there you have it. Your image will be featured easily on your post or your page inside your site. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.